Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am quickly going to show you a small DIY milestone board that I made for my kiddo's first birthday, and you can prepare this milestone board in a very inexpensive way. You don't need to spend too much money for this, and you can use this in the birthday party decor at the entrance or maybe in the main hall. And right now I'm using it in my son's room as a decor. And here I'm using the black foam board of 20 by 30 inches that I got from the dollar store, but I'm sure like you can get it from any stationery shop in few bucks only. And you can write so many things like what your kid love, like story time, bath time, his favorite food, his favorite toys, how tall he is, and what's the weight and how many teeth he has. Also, I'm using these metallic markers, and mainly I have used the golden one, blue one, green, copper, and you can use the colors of your choice that you want. And also you can use the scale and pencils to draw roughly like what you want to write or what you want to design. And we did the little man theme, so that I have made these mustaches, glasses, bow tie and waist, so you can make like what theme you are going for. And so it's a fun DIY to do. It requires little effort, but I'm sure like it comes out pretty good, so you can just give it a try. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Please let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed it. Also subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.